Hi traders, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here for the recap of the trade I took on Monday, August 21st. So traders, Monday I was able to record the only trade I took, and it's an opportunity for me to show you my entries and my exit. You know, when the market opened, I was able to place a trade after the VWAP, which means I took the trade above the VWAP, and that trade worked. So that is why I want to show you my entry and my exit during the trading session. Before we go to the recording video, traders, I will never stop to remind you that trading is difficult. Most traders lose money. That is why it's important to have education. After education, you will be able to start practicing in the demo account, traders. And don't use the real money, especially the money you have to pay your bill with. You know, we're talking about beginners traders because trading is difficult. So let's go back to our recap, traders. Monday morning, the market opened at 9:30 Eastern Time, and I was on my job site and I rushed to my truck in order to have opportunity to participate in the market. That is what I did. And let's see how, when the market opened, how I place my only trade, traders. I'm going to start playing the video here. You will see the recording. Let me start playing video here, ladies and gentlemen. You can see how the market opened at 9:30, and the market was up. You know, S&P-Y was up, even the QQQ. So most of the trade was also up, including Tesla, because Tesla always my candidate, my first candidate. Tesla opened here, and you see how it went up and came down. It's coming down, and the rejection, this is below the VWAP, traders. And now I start seeing this green candle going up, and it was drying here. And in the meantime, the market was in green. So I start figuring out, because I wanted to take the gap up in continuation. That is the gap up and go. So I was expecting Tesla to cross the VWAP and then take a long position. You can see how I was trying to figure out, you know, I was checking the market here, the S&P-Y, and in the meantime, Tesla was trying to go up, as well as the Roku and BE. Those was the stock I was watching that morning, Monday morning. So let's keep watching and see. And I saw here the third candle making the new high. And I wanted to enter here with a market order, traders, but I missed, because you can see here my when you see on this side, where I used to, you know, to change the limit or market order in my platform, it was the market order. I mean the limit order. So, and I have to change it from the limit to the market because I wanted to get it immediately. And that is what I did. When I changed it to the market, from the limit to the market, I was able to get it. Now I'm in. You know, I bought 20 shares of Tesla for a long position, as you can see, traders. Now you see my P&L here, traders. So that was above the VWAP. This blue line is the VWAP, as you can see here, traders. So, and this was the high of the day, after opening bell. And now I took now on the resistance side, directly went and it break and it retest here, as you can see, traders, and you will see the continuation, continuation. So that was the continuation I was looking for. And let's, noticing that here is the VWAP, this line, blue line here is the VWAP, and above the VWAP for the continuation, and this trade will work 100%. And I will take my profit at more than 1.5, 1.5 point. So you can see now that it retested here and it came a little bit close to the VWAP, and there were buyers. Buyers came in and bought the stock, and the stock kept going up. Let's watch the stock, traders, and see what happened. Let's see what happened. Watch it. You see now buyers still in control of the stock. And this is 5 minutes here, ladies and gentlemen. This is second 5-minute candle. You saw the break here. And this is 1 minute candle. So let's watch. And you can see the market here, traders, how the market is keep going up higher and higher. Now we're going to see now the third, the other green candle now going to the new high. Watch it. Watch it. And as soon as I saw this, I placed my stop and my target on the market. I placed my stop. So my risk was below the candle, this green candle, which wasn't bad. $17 risk, and I'm going to place also my target at $30. So I readjusted my stop a little bit, to give you more room. I did $22, at the end, and my target was at $30, which wasn't bad, traders. So let's watch the trade, and you can see that my risk was here and my target here. So I was risking $22 to make $30. Let's watch, see how I'm approaching my target here. The stock approaching my target and going to trigger my target, ladies and gentlemen. Great. You see, now the stock just triggered my target. So that was a very nice trade, traders. I enter here after the VWAP and I get out here. That was a good trade which worked perfectly. So this was the only trade I took yesterday, and it worked. And I show you how I enter and I exit. My entry was here and my exit there for $30 profit. Traders, this was the recap of my trade taken yesterday. So what can we keep from this recap as a lesson? The lesson we can keep here is that there are times you don't need more effort for the trade to work. We talked about VWAP. We had a course about VWAP, which is a very important technical analysis. So taking the trade above the VWAP is very important, But does that trade always work? We can say no. There are times you take the trade above the VWAP, but it doesn't work. That is why it's very, very important for traders to place a stop on the market in case our trade doesn't work, doesn't take, you know, doesn't go the way we plan to go, you know. It's very important to use a stop. Some use hard stop, others the mental stop. But when you still at the beginning, it's important to use the hard stop. Why? Because sometimes when you use the mental stop, you don't have the ability to enforce that stop, you know. And also, even though you are been a long time trader, it's also important to use a hard stop when you're trading the stock, which is very volatile, like Tesla. Tesla is volatile stock. Why? Because sometimes the Tesla is a big cap, first of all, costing $224. So when this stock, you want to get out of this stock, especially with the market order. When you're getting out of the stock, if you hit the sell button here, let's say you place a mental stop and now you use a sell button to get out quickly, you're going to have what we call the spread, you know. Yes, the spread, there's the, how can I say, yeah, the spread between the buyer and seller will make you lose more money instead to, you know, placing the hard stop. Because when you place the hard stop, you will not have possibility, you know, that spread will not make you to lose more money because you place a hard stop. Where you place a hard stop, you're going to hit the hard stop and you will get out on the amount you get, you know. So those big caps trade have the spread, and those spread going to play negatively against you when you hit a sell stop on the market order. So that is what we can learn today from this recap. And we want to thank you so much, traders, for your time, and especially those who watch our video. And we encourage you, especially for those who hasn't subscribed to our channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel, you know, so that when we release a video like this one, you will get notified. So thank you again and see you next time. Bye.